In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or remove widgets on Revolut. Widgets are those handy panels on your Revolut home dashboard that surface quick info and actions at a glance. Maybe you like seeing your spending summary up front, or you want fast access to features you use every day. The good news is you can customize what appears there in just a few taps. Let's start with removing a widget so you can clean up your space. Open the app and head to your home dashboard, the main screen you land on, where your balances and shortcuts live. Look over the dashboard and find the widget you no longer need. Once you've found it, press and hold directly on that widget. Keep your finger there for a moment until a small menu pops up. When you see the menu, tap Remove. That's it. The widget disappears from your dashboard, but don't worry, removing a widget doesn't delete any data or turn off any features in your account. It simply hides that panel from your main view, and you can always bring it back later. Now let's add a widget to make your dashboard more useful. While you're still on the home dashboard, press and hold anywhere on the screen. After a brief hold, the customization options will appear. Tap Add Widget. You'll see a list or gallery of available widgets you can use, each designed to give you quick access to different parts of the app. Take a moment to browse through the options and choose the one that best fits what you want to see or do quickly. When you've made your choice, select it, and it will be added to your home screen right away. You should see it appear instantly, ready to use. If you ever change your mind, you can remove a widget the same way you did earlier by pressing and holding on it and tapping Remove. And if the long press doesn't bring up a menu, make sure you're on the main home dashboard rather than inside a specific section of the app. A steady, slightly longer press usually does the trick. Customizing your dashboard like this helps keep important information front and center while keeping distractions to a minimum. Try a few widgets to see which ones you actually use, and don't be afraid to tidy things up by removing anything you don't need. And that's it. You've successfully added or removed widgets on Revolut. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your cleaner, more personalized dashboard.